Welcome to the Honor video module on manually submitting the OGOR Part C as part of the e-commerce application.
This video is a continuation of the Manually Submit OGOR series.
You should watch those modules before you watch the OGOR Part C video.
You need to fill out the OGOR Part C only if you maintain inventory volumes on your lease or agreement.
Once you are in e-commerce, go to the Display Parts section and click C.
This will open a new page, OGOR Part C, Product Sales from Facilities.
The top sections are the same as on the OGOR Part A and Part B.
If you have questions on any of the fields on this form, use the Field Help button.
Go to the Line Commands section and enter the number of lines in the entry field next to the Add Lines button, which is defaulted to 1.
Next, click the Add Lines button. This action will add one line.
In the Line Commands section, you can also copy or delete lines, go to a specific line, and change the number of lines that are displayed.
Verify the action code is set to Add.
The next column is Product Code.
Click on the drop-down list.
You will see product codes 01, 02, and 17.
You must complete this field.
Product code 01 is for oil, 02 is for condensate, and 17 is for carbon dioxide gas.
For information on the product codes, go to the Appendix L of the Minerals Production Reporter Handbook.
The next two columns pertain to the storage facilities, tanks, and sales metering points. They are the inventory storage point and metering point.
For offshore reporting, inventory storage points and metering points are required fields.
These are not required fields for onshore reporting.
However, once reported, you must continue to report these fields for as long as you are maintaining inventory.
For information on these two fields, go to Appendix J of the Minerals Production Reporter Handbook.
The next column is API Gravity.
Fill in the quality of the oil or condensate you sold out of the tank for the production month.
The next field is Beginning Inventory Barrels.
Enter the beginning inventory volume.
The beginning inventory volume must match the previous month's ending inventory volume, or the report will reject when received by Honor.
For more information, see the video on OGOR Edit 11030 and 11050. Beginning inventory total must match ending inventory total from the previous report period.
The next column is Production Barrels.
Enter the amount of oil or condensate produced into the storage facility or tank here.
This amount should match the Disposition Code 10 amount from OGOR B.
The next column is Sales in Barrels.
Enter the volume of oil or condensate sold from the storage facility or tank for the month.
The next two columns are Adjustment Code and Adjustment Volume.
Enter an adjustment code and the associated adjustment volume if necessary.
Remember, you can click on Field Help to help you get the code that you may need.
Note, the adjustment volume can be positive or a negative value, depending on the situation.
Contact your production reporting contact if you have any further questions on these fields.
The next column is Ending Inventory Barrels.
The formula for calculating ending inventory barrels is
Beginning inventory plus the production minus the sales plus or minus the adjustment volume.
Enter this amount in the ending inventory column.
Remember to check this ending inventory with your records to ensure it is correct.
When you have completed this part, click the Calculate Totals button and then save the report.
You are now done with the OGOR Part C and are ready to validate your report.
Please see the separate module on validating and sending your OGOR. Thank you for your time. Please see our other videos on the Honor channel. We also encourage you to subscribe to the Honor channel for updates and email us if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in future modules.